Welcome to Autopulse. Today, we're reviewing the epitome of travel luxury, a high-end black luxury motorhome that redefines comfort on the road. This isn't just any RV, it's a rolling mansion packed with cutting-edge technology, premium materials, and top-tier engineering. Designed for those who demand both style and functionality, this motorhome offers a seamless blend of sophistication and performance. Whether you're heading on a cross-country adventure or looking for a home away from home, this vehicle provides unparalleled luxury and convenience. We'll take a deep dive into its stunning exterior design, lavish interior, powerful engine, safety features, and price to see if it's truly worth the investment. So, buckle up as we explore what makes this luxury motorhome stand out in the world of high-end recreational vehicles. Let's get started. From the very first glance, the black luxury motorhome exudes sophistication. The sleek, aerodynamic body is designed for both aesthetics and efficiency, featuring a high-gloss black finish with chrome accents that reflect elegance. The LED lighting setup is both stylish and functional, with sleek daytime running lights, adaptive headlights, and premium taillights ensuring visibility in all conditions. Large panoramic windows not only enhance the exterior appeal but also provide breathtaking views from the inside. The custom alloy wheels complement the motorhome's bold stance, while its electric retractable steps and side awnings add a touch of convenience. At the rear, the integrated camera system and sleek design elements make reversing effortless. Every detail of this motorhome's exterior is crafted to deliver a perfect mix of luxury, practicality, and durability, ensuring that you turn heads wherever you go. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of unparalleled luxury and comfort. The spacious interior is adorned with premium leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, and ambient LED lighting that creates a warm and modern atmosphere. The living area features plush recliners, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and a retractable 4K TV, perfect for relaxation. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with marble countertops, a full-sized refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and a built-in coffee machine. Moving to the bedroom, you'll find a king-size bed with memory foam, overhead storage, and smart climate control for ultimate comfort. The bathroom boasts a rainfall shower, porcelain sink, and high-end fittings, making it feel like a luxury hotel on wheels. Every inch of this motorhome is designed to offer a first-class experience, ensuring you travel in style and comfort no matter the destination. Beneath the luxurious exterior, this motorhome packs a powerful diesel engine designed for both performance and efficiency. The turbocharged engine delivers impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring effortless cruising on highways and steep inclines alike. With an advanced air suspension system, the ride remains smooth and stable, even on rough terrain. The automatic transmission and adaptive cruise control make long-distance driving easier, allowing you to focus on the journey rather than the road ahead. Despite its size, this motorhome is surprisingly fuel-efficient, thanks to optimized aerodynamics and a smart fuel management system. Whether you're navigating city streets or open highways, the precision steering and advanced braking system provide a secure and controlled driving experience. This motorhome isn't just about luxury, it also offers the power and reliability needed for serious travelers who expect top-notch performance on every trip. Safety is a top priority in this luxury motorhome, and it comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features to ensure a worry-free journey. The 360-degree camera system and parking sensors make maneuvering this large vehicle effortless, even in tight spaces. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring add an extra layer of security on highways, reducing driver fatigue. In case of unexpected hazards, the automatic emergency braking system provides quick stopping power to prevent collisions. The reinforced chassis and advanced airbag system ensure maximum protection for passengers in case of an accident. Additionally, the fire suppression system, carbon monoxide detectors, and anti-theft alarm enhance onboard safety. Whether you're parked at a campsite or driving through challenging terrain, this motorhome is engineered to keep you and your passengers safe, making every journey as secure as it is luxurious. Luxury comes at a price, and this black luxury motorhome is no exception. Depending on customizations and features, the price can range from $500,000 to over $1 million. While it's a significant investment, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a high-end mobile lifestyle. The premium build quality, Cutting-edge technology and unmatched comfort make it worth every penny for those who value luxury travel without limits. Compared to other high-end motorhomes, this model stands out with its refined aesthetics, powerful performance, and top-tier amenities. If you're looking for the ultimate blend of sophistication, power, and convenience, this motorhome is a dream come true. So, would you take this luxury beast on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autopulse for more in-depth automotive reviews. Until next time, drive safe and travel in style.